This is meteorologist Chad Olmert with the National Weather Service office in Topeka with an updated weather briefing at 5 o'clock on Saturday, March 23rd. Just wanted to give you some information, updated information on what we expect over the next 12 hours or so across northeast, east central Kansas. There have been some slight changes in the forecast since this morning. The main system is still coming through overnight tonight, and that means that the bulk of the accumulating snow will also occur later on tonight. The track of the storm is a little bit further south, and so the implications with that mean that the heavier snowfall, or the area of heaviest snowfall, is expected to be, generally speaking, southeast of a line from Hiawatha in Brown County, Kansas, to about Council Grove in Morris County, Kansas. What does that mean, or what does that look like? This is the latest graphic that we produced at the National Weather Service in Topeka, and you can see where we expect in the blue areas here that the heavier snows, generally speaking, anywhere from 4, 5, 6, perhaps 7 inches of snow to fall, and the bulk of that is going to occur later tonight. As you get north and west of that Council Grove to Hiawatha line, will generally speaking expect anywhere from 3 to 5 inches of snow to accumulate overnight tonight. And so that's the graphic in terms of how much and the areas. Now, what else are we expecting through the overnight hours? The timing? Well, generally, we're really looking at the idea that snow across the area is going to gradually increase in coverage and intensity, especially after 10 p.m. to midnight tonight. It looks like right now the window of heaviest snows are expected to occur across northeast and east central Kansas, generally from 10 p.m. to about 8 a.m. on Sunday morning. And north winds gusting perhaps to 30 miles an hour, definitely going to cause some blowing and drifting of the snow, and that'll reduce visibilities, especially during the times of the heaviest falling snows, to less than 1/2 mile at times, perhaps. And certainly that's going to produce some hazardous driving conditions across the area come Sunday morning. By tomorrow morning on Sunday, north central Kansas, where the snows are not expected to be quite as heavy, light snow is going to persist through the early morning hours and taper off to flurries by late morning, 9, 10, 11 o'clock in the morning. Probably be done, it looks like, by noon at the latest. And northeast, east central Kansas, moderate to heavy snow, accumulating snows may still persist through about 8, 9 o'clock in the morning, then tapering off by late morning into early afternoon as well. And so that's a little bit in terms of what we expect in timing. Remember, you can find us on social media, Facebook, Twitter, if you do, at NWS Topeka, and please use the hashtags KSWeather, KSWX, or KSStorms. We would appreciate your snowfall reports that way overnight tonight. And so with that, that's all we have. And remember to stay safe, wear your seatbelts, and slow down as driving conditions will become hazardous overnight tonight.